So, in this tutorial, I'm trying to talk about this book, Machine Learning for Absolute Beginners. So, simply, I tried to buy this book, but I didn't buy it actually. I gave it to my girlfriend, and my girlfriend, like after a week, she bought it for me. So, from now, I'm gonna appreciate from her. I love you for buying this so useful book for me. And this book is for machine learning for absolute beginners. So, because I'm literally a beginner like you guys in machine learning, I have no any idea about machine learning. Of course, I know programming and I have experience as a backend developer, but I have no idea what is machine learning. Like, I don't even have any introduction information about machine learning. That's why I try to buy this book and I try to make a routine for myself, for my life, to read every day only 5 6 pages, which is gonna be one topic. So like my girlfriend bought it for me, so she gave it to me I think 2 days ago. And I'm in the topic of so far I read until the topic of let me show you, topic of 4. I don't know if you can see or not, the machine learning toolbox. So from 1 to 4 I read all of these topics. First of all, preface, like introduction, very introduction. Second is what is machine learning? The introduction, explanation, like the simple explanation of what is machine learning, how machine learning came, which date, how it works, what's different between traditional programming and machine learning, and so on. So, and other extra details, and like explain about the detail of the machine learning, which is machine learning is under AI, AI is under data science, and data science is under computer science, like the category of that, like the here we have the picture actually, and you can see or not. Anyway, I'm showing it. So the lineage of machine learning represented by a row of Russian I cannot call her name anyway, Matryoshka. So so in this picture, it's trying to explain that machine learning is under the AI, and AI is under the data science, and data science is under the computer science. And in the next picture, you can see with a more detail, the general concept is computer science. Then under that, we have data science. Under data science, we have AI, machine learning, and data mining. And AI, inside the AI, we have machine learning. So machine learning is the part of AI. Okay, so from this picture we understand that, and I learned about that. So I learned about actually I learned about so it was the anatomy of machine learning which I explained, and uh, and then I understand that how machine learning works. So I'm gonna explain with more detail, but anyway, like introduction for you guys. What did I learn? So here, like techniques, data mining, supervised learning, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. I learned about all that, and machine learning categories, which which supervised learning, unsupervised learning, data mining, and reinforcement, reinforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning, which I'm going to explain anyway in other tutorial. But anyway, so and the topic 4, which is the machine learning toolbox. So what do we need as a what we can call it? What we can call it? What if you want to start machine learning? What do we need exactly? So we need data. In the topic 4, which is machine learning toolbox, I learned that we need data. Definitely, we need infrastructure, which is like the programming language, ideally, and so on. And we need visualization tools like libraries in Python, for example, Matplotlib, and so on. And for advanced toolbox, we have big data, which is a large amount of data. And for that big data, we need different infrastructure. Like we don't use CPU anymore, for example, we use GPU of the computer to process and calculation and everything. And the advanced algorithm, so the algorithm is not like a in advanced machine learning. So in the advanced toolbox for machine learning, which like in a big project, which we have a like example here. So big data is used to describe a data set that, due to its variety, volume, and velocity, defies conventional method of processing and would be impossible for human to process without the assistance of advanced technology. So anyway, big data is the example like petabytes data. So if you have, for example, even 200 gigabytes data is not big data. So when you have big data, definitely you need a different infrastructure as a data scientist, as a person who is trying to learn machine learning. So you don't need to use your previous infrastructure, and you don't need any that much like I can call strong computer. But in the advanced toolbox, in advanced project, which you have big data, you need different infrastructure. You need GPU rather than CPU, and you can get that GPU from your computer or from AWS or other cloud services. And definitely you're going to use other advanced algorithm, rather than simple linear. I can call it actually here for you, rather than mm, where is the algorithm name here? So if I'm going to write here for you guys, machine learning algorithm, one of the basic of the, for example, for not this one, so linear, yeah, one of the basic algorithm in machine learning is linear regression. So in the advanced project, which you need advanced toolbox, and in that advanced project, definitely there is a huge big data. Like there is a big data which has a different variety, volume, and velocity. So in that situation, you need different infrastructure, which you need GPU rather than CPU, and you need advanced algorithm rather than simple, for example, linear regression or other easy algorithms, because you have to process and calculate between the huge data. So that was everything which I learned until here. Machine learning toolbox, the topic 4. So yeah, but I didn't explain like with detail for you guys, but I can do it. So I was just trying to explain about this book. So the book is Machine Learning for Absolute Beginners. I really recommend you guys to get it if you don't have any idea about machine learning. You can learn a lot. You can learn basic, like from zero, anything which you need to step inside the machine learning world. So you cannot go inside the machine learning world without knowing all of these topics. What is data? What is those machine learning categories like algorithm? What do you need? What kind of infrastructure you need? What kind of like how to actually here we can see actually. So what do you need for training model? You need data, you need infrastructure, you need algorithm, you need visualization. So this book try to explain about basic information related to machine learning. So far, I learned a lot. I really like this book because it teaches me a lot. And if you want to start in machine learning world, you can try by having reading this book. And then after you read all of this book and understand all the basic concept, you can dive into machine learning world and definitely improve yourself every day. So maybe in this video I couldn't explain very well for you guys that what I was talking about, but I was just trying to explain that from chapter 1 to chapter 4 I learned all these. So I learned about introduction, preface of the machine learning, what is machine learning, why machine learning, what is different between machine learning and traditional way of programming. So in traditional way of programming, for example, if we say 2 plus 2 is 4. So actually let's talk about the chapter 2. Let's talk about the chapter 2 from next tutorial. But anyway, I learned a lot from chapter 1 to chapter 4 by reading this book. So I recommend you guys to read this book. And this was the introduction video about machine learning. I don't have any idea. I didn't have any idea what is machine learning, but it was interesting to me because ChatGPT and other AIs comes and they're just helping us a lot. So I was like, why not? I'm gonna go for it and learn it. So why not I just started because it looks interesting to me. So I tried to buy this, and then my girlfriend bought it for me. So again, I'm gonna appreciate my girlfriend for buying this book for me. But yeah, it was the introduction about this book. And from the next tutorial, I'm trying to create a new category in my YouTube channel related to this book with the name of the same book, like machine learning for absolute beginners. And then I'm going to start to put video for each chapter, anything which I learn from each chapter, and try to upload that video in my YouTube channel. But anyway, so far maybe you didn't understand anything because I didn't try to explain to you guys like from basic. So and I didn't explain good. I just tried to explain that from chapter 1 to chapter 4, what did I learn? So I learned all of these, but from the next tutorial I'm going to start teaching you guys what did I learn for each chapter. Every day I'm going to try my best to put one video, and in that one video I'm going to explain about that one chapter which I read. So from chapter 1 to chapter 18, which I think this book has 18 chapter. So I'm not sure about that, but I think it was 18 chapter. So I'm going to go back here. Yeah, the last chapter is model optimization. So chapter 18. So 18 days. 18 days is like 2 weeks and 4 days. So almost 3 weeks. So in 3 weeks, I'm trying to finish this book for you guys, and you don't need to read it. You just can simply subscribe my channel and simply follow like whole of my videos every day because I'm going to explain anything which I learned about this book from chapter 1 to chapter 18. That's it. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any question, you can ask me. And I'm not doing this for view because like honestly, talking about machine learning, about book without any video editing, without any, you know, like maybe it's not going to get that much view. I don't really care about the view. I really care about talking because I know that by explaining things which I learn, I can learn better. So actually, I'm helping myself, but at the end of the day, I'm trying to help you guys as well. So if it was useful for you guys, you can follow or like, or if it was not useful, you can simply pass the video. That's all. So that's it for today. See you later, guys. Goodbye.